Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. Have you ever heard the expression, go out there today and crush it? I have. And I get it. If it has to do with trying to keep an attitude of motivation, that's understandable. But when you hear, go out there and crush it today, it kind of gives you the feeling that it's going to happen kind of quick. You can do it, get it today. And secondly, that you can kind of do it yourself. It's up to you through your efforts. And again, I understand some of that, but haven't you found that in your real life with family and friends and in your business, that you really end up not so much crushing it as you do learning from it or trying to grow it? In my own life, I have a family and friends and a business partner, and what comes up more often than not and what's needed is more not crushing it, but listening, apologizing, promising to do better, and then working to do better. Those things come up more often in trying to grow relationships and our business. And again, it doesn't happen as quickly as today. And it also isn't just up to me. It's up to myself and everyone that we're working with. When you're building an important goal, that's how things are, I suppose. Not so much crushing it every day. Until next time, remember, you can do this. You will.